Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Padhai. Khilji Dynasty from 1290 to 1320. Jalaluddin Khilji was given the title of Shaista Khan by Kaikubad and was made the governor of Baran. Later, he murdered Kaikubad and established Khilji Dynasty. Jalaluddin Khilji from 1290 to 96. He was 70 years old when he ascended the throne. He was mild, humble and kind monarch to the general people. His reign witnessed the invention of Yadava kingdom, but his nephew Alauddin succeeded in controlling those inventions. Later, he was assassinated by Alauddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji ascended the throne. Alauddin Khilji from 1296 to 1316 AD. Original name of Alauddin Khilji was Ali Gursab. During his reign, Khilji dynasty reached its zenith. After being crowned as Sultan, Alauddin Khilji made Malik Kafur his general. Renowned poet Amir Khusru witnessed the reign of 7 sultans of Delhi, and one of them was Alauddin Khilji. Poet Amir Khusru, in his book Tariq-i-Alai, wrote details of the first few years of Alauddin Khilji. He was also known as Parrot of India or Tut-e-Hind. During the period of Alauddin Khilji, there were a number of revolts and rebellions. Alauddin Khilji tried to find the reason for these rebellions and found some of the important reasons like intermarriage between the family of the nobles, inefficiency of the spice system, drinking liquor. To check the revolts, Alauddin passed 4 ordinances. First, he confiscated all grants of the tax-free land. Second, he reorganized the spice system. Third, public sale of liquor and drugs were totally banned. Fourth, forbade social gathering and intermarriage was not allowed without the consent of the Sultan. Suppression of rural elite. Village headmen, also known as Khuts and Muqaddams, were very rich and offered military help to the rebels. So Sultan reduced their revenue collection and made these village headmen to live a life of ordinary peasants. Military reforms. Sultan was having 4,75,000 cavalrymen. He included reforms like Dag, that is branding of horses, Chehra, descriptive role of soldiers. He included a regular master of the army and abolished the ektas of the royal troopers, and their salaries were paid in cash. Market reforms. In order to keep his army satisfied with salary, Sultan introduced strict price control measures based on production cost. To enforce these measures, he established 4 separate markets in Delhi. First market was for grain, second for cloth, sugar, dry fruits, herbs, butter and oil. Third, horse, slaves and cattle, and fourth was miscellaneous commodities. Alauddin Khilji kept some of the officers to check the market. First one Sahana, they were market controllers. Second Barits, they were intelligence officers. Third one Manhis, they were Sultan's secret agents. These officers submitted their independent reports to the Sultan. Other economic reforms. Alauddin Khilji increased land revenue to 50% of gross produce and eliminated all middlemen. He restarted several types of land grants like Inam and Waqf. The soldiers were asked to submit 4/5 share of the war booty to the state. War booty were those things that were looted by the soldiers after defeating the opponent. He also created new department called Diwani-e-Muqtak Raj to inquire into revenue areas and to collect them. Alauddin's conquest. Alauddin invaded many areas, but the greatest achievement was the conquest of the Deccan and far south. He did not annex those kingdoms but looted their treasuries and forced them to pay annual tributes. Constructions by Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji built Alai Darwaza, Hajar Sultan, that is palace of 1,000 pillars, Hauzi Khas. Later, he made Malik Kafur as the Malik Naib. In 1315, Alauddin fell ill and in 1316 he died. After the death of Alauddin, Two other rulers came, but they were not as strong as he was. Mubarak ruled from 1316 to 20, and Khusru ruled from July to September 1320. Khusru was beheaded by Ghazi Malik and established his dynasty called as the Tughlaq dynasty. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.